Hi, my name is Agus. Today I want to show you how to install Ubuntu desktop on Vmware. So let's get started. First, open the Vmware, then make a new virtual machine by click File and choose New Virtual Machine. On the wizard, choose typical configuration and click Next. After that, choose Ubuntu ISO file on your directory by browse it. After that, click Next, and then fill the Linux information properly. And then click Next. On here, we can change the virtual machine name and the location of the virtual machine that you want to install it by click Browse here. After that, click Next, and then you should determine the maximum size of virtual machine. In here, I use 10 GB, and then you split virtual disk into multiple files, and then click Next. After that, you can change the hardware configuration by click Customize Hardware. After that, click Finish. Now, a virtual machine has been created. To install Ubuntu on the virtual machine, run it by click Power on this virtual machine and let Vmware install Ubuntu. After waiting about 30 minutes, the installation process was completed and you can use it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.